Going on, guys? Good morning and God bless y'all. We are out here in Saxy today with my good buddy Lauren with on the spot detailing. We are actually out here gonna be working on this boat. So boat is just nothing major, nothing crazy, no major detailing. All we're gonna do is just give it a good exterior wash. The interior, obviously, we're just gotta clean it out real well. And that should be it. So I'm gonna take you up to the top, kind of show you a little bit of how it looks and what we expect to get done out of here. So stay tuned and let's go. So overall, boat is in need of some TLC. We took out the carpets, even though customer didn't tell us to, but we're gonna go ahead and remove all of it, and we're just gonna give it a good clean. Get these cup holders looking right. This is actually a really nice boat, guys. We're gonna hit all the seats, scrub them down really well. Captain's chairs gonna get scrubbed off real good, and this thing's nice. It even has a little bathroom. Check it out. Very cool. So that is what we are going to be working on today, guys. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it, guys. When I do a boat, I try to start from the front and work myself to the back. That way on the back there's some holes where the water will flow down in and it'll come out. So it kind of just takes everything to the back, and it's just like a one process. So I'm scrubbing everything down using a medium drill brush to kind of hit the seats, get a little bit of the dirt off, and then we're gonna power wash it. Wherever there's excess water, I will come back with my vacuum, extract everything, and we should be good to go. So let's get to it. All right, so we took a quick break from the top. I pretty much almost got it all, not all quite, but we are so the other side looks worse, right?
Yeah.
So pretty much, guys, what we are using is I'll show you guys a little bit of how this boat looks. So we are trying to get rid of all this right here, all of this, and it's caked on there, guys, as you can see. All right, so we had to go to our, we are using my power washer since I'm able to put the pressure up. So right now my pressure washer is about 4,500 psi, I believe, probably more. And we are using, if you ever encounter this problem, we are using muriatic acid. This one was purchased at Home Depot. All right, and so this is working very good. His power washer was not cutting it a little bit, so we transitioned over to mine, and there you go, guys. Again, we're not chasing perfection here. We're just trying to get that top layer off. Obviously, you know, if we wanted to go a little bit step further, we would polish this boat, you know, make it look good, but customer is not paying for that at this time, so we are just giving it a good exterior wash. All right, so we will be back with the finished product, and we'll be right back.
Careful. Since the other side's dry, it'll be better.
So we spray it, let it sit for about, I'd say 15 minutes, so it can kind of start working in there. We come back with the power washer, this thing will melt off so easy. As you can see, it's already activating the bubbles, the suds. It's already working it in. So we're getting there. Welcome back, guys. Well, this project is finally finished, guys. We have finally removed the bottom portion of all that buildup it had. We washed the exterior. We used a marine boat wash for the exterior as well as the interior. We scrubbed it all down really well, and it looks amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys looking around a little bit of the afters. This was totally, it was in rough condition. Just imagine letting it be sitting out here for so long. The sun beat it up. So I mean, there's so much we can do, guys, but other than that, we scrubbed everything. I used the serrano sauce on all the interior, pretty much all the seats, all the cup holders. We scrubbed all of that. I used a drill brush to agitate the seats to remove all that stuff off. So they turned out very well. The carpet we actually extracted using my Mighty 1000 Speedster, the big one. We scrubbed and agitated everything, guys. So it was in very rough shape, but it definitely turned out much better, guys. So I'm very proud of how this boat came out. It just looks so good, and we even forgot to put the desk back. But huge shout out here to Lauren with On the Spot Auto Detailing. He invited me to come over and help him out today. So this was a definitely one for the books. Having some rain out, we also had, I have some little technical issues today with my power washer. It was working fine, and then I don't know what happened. So it has just been one of those days that is, I guess, you know, issues start to happen. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the exterior. So one second, guys, so I can show you. how this looks. But it turned out very well. Check it out. On the exterior, obviously, we used Purple Power vehicle and boat wash. This bottom part, it was just so much. It's just done. We weren't able to remove any more of that. But this was the main concern that we came for. The whole bottom portion. You guys saw in the beginning how it looked. But man, it turned out really good. Really good. Can't complain on how it looks. We can only do so much, to be honest. So but it definitely worked out pretty good. Obviously it has some heavy oxidation all on the bottom, but our concern, as I said, was this whole bottom white part, guys. As you guys saw in the beginning, it was full of whatever that stuff was, but it is all gone. That's amazing, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully it was a good video for you guys to see. I'm gonna try to do a more in-depth one. I know I really didn't explain what the process was, but the whole interior, obviously I used a my DeWalt drill brush with my medium bristle, all on the inside, from the seats to the floor. We drew to the carpet, so every little area there was touched today. We cleaned all inside the seats. We removed the seats, clean all in the edges. But overall, this was an amazing project to do, guys. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm enjoying this orange hair. It's getting there. It looks better, I guess, when it's wet. But again, shout out to Lauren. You guys have a blessed day, and we will see y'all next time.